Hey guys, it's Cameron from Cameron's Car Reviews, and I just wanted to go over some of the brochures I have today, and that I am starting to collect a bunch of brochures. I actually started collecting back in 2010, and I'm starting to get old brochures. I'm buying them off of eBay. And I just wanted to show you some of the couple of them I have right here. So right now I'm starting pretty much off with Honda. I'm buying a lot of Honda brochures because I really love Honda. And then I'm going to go on to Toyota and then other car brands. So right now I have a 1997 Chevy Venture brochure. I collect these brochures just to keep them as a reference. And I think it's pretty neat to look at old brochures. One day I want to open my own little shop where people can come in and look at old brochures. And I'm starting to collect new brochures too. I started collecting back a couple years ago too. I think it's pretty neat though. And then I have a bunch of Nissan brochures right here, and they have a bunch of other car brands. Just all laid out. So say if I wanted to look at a 2001 Honda Accord brochure, I could pull it out and then I would just see a bunch of information on the '01 Accord. But this is just one car brand, just Nissan, and I have Honda and Toyota and Mercedes and all those other car brands. And you could buy these brochures off of eBay, but they're quite expensive. Some of them can get up to like $50 per brochure. I know that one of the brochures, a 98 Mercedes S-Class, was like $50, and I was just like, whoa, I was astonished. This one was probably about like 15 bucks. This is a '03 Civic brochure. Then here I have a 96 Honda Civic sedan and coupe brochure. And I have a 2000 Honda full lineup. Like I said, right now I'm pretty much starting to buy old Honda brochures. Then once I buy all of them, I'm going to start going to other brands. I think it's pretty neat to look at these though. And right here I have a 95 Accord sedan and wagon brochure. Gives all the information. And all the accessories you can get with the Accord. Pretty neat. Here's a 2002 Honda Odyssey brochure. and a '01 Accord sedan brochure. Technology has improved so much over the past decade. Cars look so much different now. One of my favorite generations of the Accord. Probably actually my favorite generation of all the Accords. Very reliable Hondas. Well guys, thank you for checking out this little short video of some of my old car brochures. Like I said, I'll plan to collect some more, and then I'll probably post another video within a month, because I'm going to start buying more brochures in the future. So yeah, thank you for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. Remember, this is Cameron's Car Reviews, car buying made easy.